Hello, this is Senator Joe Donnelly. In advance of President Obama's State of the Union address tonight, I would like to outline what I'm hoping to hear. First, I hope to hear about plans to further support our men and women in uniform and support of our veterans. While we continue to face many challenges around the world, most of our service members are now home from Afghanistan, and we need to ensure they are receiving the transition assistance they need, as well as the health care and the benefits they have earned. I was pleased that late last year, the President signed into law our military suicide prevention bill, remembering Hoosier Jacob Sexton, who took his own life in 2009. Starting this year, all service members, whether active duty, Guard, or Reserve, will get an annual mental health assessment. I want to hear the President talk about the importance of mental health in our military and among our veterans. Next, there is nothing more important than having every Hoosier who wants a job to be able to get a job. Without a job, little else works. I want to hear the President talk about increasing opportunities for working and middle-class families, especially in the areas of education and training, fixing our student loan system, encouraging exports, and going all in on American energy. There is much to be done to continue our economic recovery. Finally, I want to hear President Obama talk about working together with Congress to get a lot of work done. It is my hope that he will identify areas of compromise, because if we are to get things done, no one can get 100% of what they want. We all have to work together. I also want to highlight the work of my guest to this year's State of the Union, Sharon Cranfill. Sharon is the director of House of Ruth in Connersville, Indiana. Connersville has been hit particularly hard by the growing heroin crisis. Since September, 41 people have overdosed on heroin in Connersville, and 8 have died. The House of Ruth is a nonprofit that opened in 2009 and provides residential counseling, job training, and other services to Fayette County residents to help them recover from addiction and to get their lives back in order. I invited Sharon to highlight the important work she and others who assisted the House of Ruth are doing across Indiana to help folks struggling with heroin use and prescription drug abuse to rebuild their lives. Unfortunately, growing heroin use is negatively impacting Connersville and many other communities in Indiana and across the country. It is critical that we continue to shine a light on rising heroin abuse to raise awareness while working to find solutions. It takes all of us working together to keep our communities safe, from working with Indiana organizations, law enforcement, and community leaders to leveraging local, state, and federal resources.